One sunny morning in the jungle, young Leo the lion woke up, stretched wide, and tried to roar. Roar! My roar is gone! He ran through the trees, asking every animal he met, Have you seen my roar? The parrots, elephants, and the frogs said no. Finally, he reached Mira, the wise monkey, sitting quietly on the branch. Mira smiling. Maybe your roar is not lost. Maybe it's just resting. She placed a paw on his chest. She said, Close your eyes, listen to the wind, breathe deep. Leo took a deep breath, then another, and suddenly, roar! A mighty clear sound echoed through the jungle. All the animals cheered. Leo said, I found it. Mira, no little lion, you find yourself. So, the moral of the story is, sometimes you find your strength in silence. For more videos, please subscribe my channel.